Hi, my name is Sebastian, and today I'm going to tell you about my favorite place, Oxapampa. Oxmpampa is located in the department of Pasco. It's very popular with tourists because its district Posuso is inhabited by Austro-Germans. Settlers tourists can buy good quality meat and cheese as well as excellent coffee. They can also take motorcycle rides and admire the beautiful green landscape and stay in cabins. The place is very popular with tourists where its traditional dances performed by people of German descent. There are many restaurants with typical regional dishes. Now I'm going to tell you about the clothes you should pack for your trip. In the morning, you can wear shorts and t-shirt, simply if sunny, even if it rains. But in the evening, you should wear sweater and pants, and the temperature efficiency is important. To well-aged, carry water bottle to stay hydrated and money to buy some handcrafted souvenirs. The most important thing is to bring your mobile phone, as you will need to take many photos for your trip to this beautiful place, and the special clothes you might need for the evening will be a cool and casual style for visiting restaurant and the main square. Thank you.